how to create Riot ID in Valorant. So if you want to create a Riot ID in your Valorant, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser and then search for Riot Games. After searching for Riot Games, you need to make sure that you're logged into your account. Once done, you need to go with your account, which will be in the top right, and then go with settings. And it is asking for a verification. So you just need to simply go with your mail and you will receive a code to your mail. You need to just simply go in, copy the code, and paste it right here. And once you're in your account management session, you'll have this kind of interface. So it just needs simply go with your Riot ID. Here, as you can see that it says Riot ID can be changed every 90 days. You will be able to change it again on this and this date. So right now I cannot do this, but in your case, you just need simply go and click on the game name and just go and create your own name and tagline. Then click on save changes, which will be on the bottom. And there you go. That's basically how you can create a Riot ID in your Valorant. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.